2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Overview. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia marks the revival of an iconic nameplate that once symbolized elegant motoring with a European flair. Volkswagen has reimagined the classic Karmann Ghia coupe as a modern grand tourer, blending retro styling with cutting-edge technology and sustainable engineering. The all-new model pays homage to the beloved original while catering to contemporary tastes and expectations. Exterior design. The exterior of the 2025 Karmann Ghia is a striking fusion of vintage charm and modern sophistication. Volkswagen designers have stayed faithful to the low-slung, curvaceous silhouette that defined the original model, but have updated it with sleeker lines, a wider stance, and LED lighting technology. The front fascia features a minimalist grille flanked by teardrop-shaped headlights that echo the original car's soft contours. The rear remains classically sculpted with a pronounced deck lid and wraparound tail lamps that further reinforce the retro-modern appeal. One of the standout design choices is the coupe's flowing roofline, which elegantly tapers into the rear quarter, giving it a sporty yet refined profile. Lightweight alloy wheels, a selection of vibrant heritage-inspired paint colors, and subtle chrome accents add to the vehicle's nostalgic allure without compromising its contemporary presence. Aerodynamics have been carefully optimized, with hidden air intakes and retractable spoilers subtly enhancing performance. Performance and handling. Under the hood, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is offered with both electric and hybrid powertrains, reflecting Volkswagen's broader commitment to electrification. The base model features a fully electric drivetrain powered by an 82 kWh battery, delivering around 300 horsepower and an estimated range of 320 miles on a full charge. Acceleration from 0 to 60 on each takes under 5 seconds, positioning the Karmann Ghia as a credible performer in the EV coupe segment. A performance-oriented Ghia R variant is also expected, featuring dual motors for all-wheel drive, enhanced suspension tuning, and a power output of over 400 horsepower. The driving experience has been finely tuned for a balance between comfort and agility, with adaptive dampers and a low center of gravity contributing to composed, responsive handling on twisty roads and highways alike. Interior and features. Inside, the 2025 Karmann Ghia maintains a refined, driver-focused atmosphere with nods to its classic roots. The cabin showcases a blend of sustainable materials, premium upholstery, and tactile metal accents that create a luxurious yet minimalist environment. A floating 12.9-inch infotainment screen dominates the dash, integrated with Volkswagen's latest software for seamless navigation, entertainment, and connectivity. The digital instrument cluster is customizable, allowing drivers to toggle between classic-inspired dials and futuristic displays. Ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and heated ventilated seats are standard across most trims. Despite its coupe design, the cabin offers respectable space for 2 adults in the front and occasional seating or extra cargo room in the rear. Trunk space is generous for a grand tourer, especially with additional storage under the front hood in electric models. Advanced driver assistance features come standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking. A premium Harman Kardon audio system rounds out the comfort and entertainment package. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is expected to start at around $48,000 for the base electric model, with higher trims such as the Ghia R reaching closer to $65,000. The plug-in hybrid variant, offering a smaller electric range but enhanced versatility, is expected to sit in the mid-$50,000 range. Volkswagen has confirmed a global release, with availability in North America, Europe, and select Asian markets beginning in late 2025. Overall impression. With its captivating design, strong performance credentials, and commitment to sustainability, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia successfully bridges the gap between nostalgia and innovation. It revives a beloved nameplate with style and substance, appealing to both longtime Volkswagen fans and new buyers seeking a unique, modern Grand Tourer. Whether cruising coastal highways or navigating city streets, the new Karmann Ghia offers an experience that's as emotional as it is electric.